episode, Loose Ends Outdoors. Today's just a chilled day. It's going to be a little bit of snorkelling. I've already pulled my pots, I've got one cray. I've got a skippy, had a quick fish. I'm going to go for a bit of a snorkel, see if I can find another cray. And when I get back to the boat, I'm going to do a bit of a cook up, little quick cook up on the little cooker I've got, and yeah, see how we go. At the minute, I'm just cruising, living the dream. I love this shit. I live for this. Phew. One cray in there I just can't get to. I came underprepared. I didn't have my snare and I need a wetsuit to get into that rocky cave. Spewing I can't get in, but his lucky day. He's not going to get put on a pan. Oh, lovely out here, look at this. Beautiful. Cook some lunch. Here's a cray I got earlier on this morning. He's fairly asleep, dormatised. What you want to do is you want to get your filleting knife, straight around the carapace there like that. Flip it over, same thing again. Like so. Twist that out, there you have it, tail. That's the head. That can go straight back to the fishes, sharks, all that jazz. Now what I normally do is a pair of scissors, cut straight up the centre like that, flip it over, same again, like that. Separate it more, just run it, scissors straight up the centre again like that. There you have it. As cray cut in half. Take the poor out. Nobody wants to eat shit. Give it a wash in the water. There you have it. Two beautiful pieces of crayfish that are going to go on the grill. Kick this next part off. Butter on your pan. Like that. It's hard doing it one-handed, but that'll do. Melting. Get chili. Get all that in there. Like that. Beautiful. A bit of garlic, like so. Crayfish, give it a bit of a mix. Like that. There we go. Give that about 5 minutes, high heat, and you should be right. Look at that, so fresh, he's still twitching. Beautiful. There you have it. One crayfish, halved, cooked on the boat, done and dusted. Me and the missus are going to get stuck into this now. Would have been nice to have a couple more, but hey, we've still got a lot more crays to come. The whites haven't even started running yet. Another month or so, give or take, until you'll be getting full pots of crayfish and all that sort of stuff. And yeah, so that concludes this little episode that I'm doing for today. Cheers for watching, if you watch. If you don't watch it, I don't really care. Yeah, cheers guys, have a good one.